They sent a man from Washington one bright sunny day. He told us of a mighty plan they called it TVA. We lived along the river banks in sunny Tennessee. We farmed the fertile bottomlands as far as you could see. They claimed the land for Uncle Sam to hold the waters high. My farming days are over now, the river's running wild. The river ate the taters and drunk up all the corn. Got higher than a hootin' owl when TVA was born. Water, water everywhere as far as I can see. Ain't nothing left but water in the state of Tennessee. I hear the ravens calling across the countryside, a warning everybody, the river's running wild. My mother fought the government until her dying day. She never lost a battle till she fought the TVA. She loved the land of Tennessee and wouldn't move away. The spirit of her fighting heart is legend there today. She's sleeping where the river flows, and when the waters rise, I hear the echo of her cry, the river's running wild. Things have changed in Tennessee, they ain't the same no more. No happy voices do I hear around the cabin door. I hear the night birds singing a lonesome lullaby. The weeping willow hangs her head and softly starts to cry. The rushing waters seem to say as they go rolling by, you'd better head for higher ground, the river's running wild. The river's running wild. I heard my mother cry. She bet her life that she could stem the raging of the tide. She fought the muddy river until the day she died. Her final words on this old earth, the river's running wild. The river's running wild.